Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial mainly I'll be telling you what are the different DML statement available in SQL, and this is mainly for the SAP HANA database. So I'll be telling you what are the different DML statement are available in HANA. So I will be mainly telling you what are those functions, the statement, and I will be give you just one liner what is this function does. So we have let me tell you the function, like we have delete statement, and this what this delete statement does, it deletes a record from a table now where a specified condition is met, right? So you can give the clause like in where clause, and then you can delete the statement. And we have another is explain plain statement. So what it does, so using this statement, it evaluates the execution plan that the database follows when executing an SQL statement. I will be telling you in detail about this statement in my next tutorial, but this tutorial mainly for what are the statements are available. That's very important to know that what are the statements are available actually. And we have the insert statement, and this just adds a record into a table. And we have the load statement, and so what this load statement does, now explicitly loads column store table data into a memory instead of it's mainly it's loading the it loads the data into an column store table. I'll be showing you the detail in my next tutorial. And next is merge delta. So using this statement, you can merge the column store table delta storage to the table's main storage. And now we have the merge into. So using this merge into, you can merge the data into an existing column store table. And now we have the replace, or we can use upsert. So using this one, we can actually update a row in the table, or you can also insert a row using the upsert. So there are small difference between the insert and upsert. Insert means it actually adds a row, and upsert means updating and insert. So that's a little different into between insert and upsert. And we have the as I told about the truncate. So we have the truncate statement, and as usual we have the select statement. So this is also part of the DML statement. And we have the unload. So we have the load, which actually loads the data, and now this is the unload. Unload means it unloads the data from column store table from memory. It means if what you're doing in the load, so we are actually loading the huge number of data from a column store table into the memory, and here we are actually from the memory we are taking the data. And we also have the update. So using the update statement, we do updating in a table or in any column based table. Yeah. So that's all about this DML statement available in SAP HANA, so HANA database. So that's all about this tutorial, and if you have any question or comment, please write it in the comment box, and please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe this channel. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day. And please see my other tutorial. I've given the links. So thank you for watching.